Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us today. As we gather here, surrounded by our everyday appliances and systems that keep our homes and kitchens running smoothly, I want to take a moment to introduce you to our exclusive proactive appliance care and preventative maintenance plan, our proactive appliance care and preventative maintenance services. At Quality Home Repair Services, we believe that a stitch in time saves 9, and that philosophy extends to the way we care for our homes.
Homeowners insurance typically covers damages caused by unexpected events like fires or natural disasters, but does not cover the regular wear and tear that appliances undergo over time. This means that when your appliance breaks down due to regular use or lack of maintenance, homeowners insurance may not provide coverage for repairs or replacements. Home warranty companies, on the other hand, focus on fixing appliances only after they break down. They offer repair or replacement services for malfunctioning appliances, often requiring you to pay a service fee per repair. With our service plan, you pay $0 for service or diagnostic fee when the technician visits. Imagine a world where breakdowns are a thing of the past, where appliance efficiency is maximized, and where your peace of mind is our top priority. Today, I invite you on a journey to discover a new way of home maintenance that is not just proactive, but also transformative. So why choose preventative maintenance, you ask? Here are a few highlights. First, longevity. Regular maintenance can significantly extend the lifespan of your appliances and systems, saving you money on replacements in the long run. Second, efficiency. Well-maintained appliances operate more efficiently, leading to lower energy bills and reduced environmental impact. Third, peace of mind. Say goodbye to sudden breakdowns and costly repairs with our proactive approach to maintenance, giving you peace of mind and stress-free living. Fourth, convenience. With scheduled maintenance visits, you can wave goodbye to the hassle of dealing with last-minute repairs and service calls. And finally, safety. Ensuring that your appliances are in good working condition is crucial for the safety of your home and loved ones. Our proactive appliance care and preventative maintenance services are designed to offer you peace of mind and cost savings for your home maintenance needs. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the importance of regular maintenance until something goes wrong. Traditional home warranty providers may offer coverage for repairs, but they often fall short when it comes to addressing issues before they escalate into major problems. With our proactive maintenance services, we take a proactive approach to ensure that your home systems and appliances are functioning optimally at all times. By investing in our preventative maintenance program, you are not only saving money in the long run, but also avoiding the inconvenience and stress that comes with unexpected breakdowns. Our team of experienced technicians will conduct thorough inspections, tune-ups and minor repairs on a regular basis, allowing you to enjoy the comfort and security of a well-maintained home. Unlike home insurance, which primarily covers major damages and disasters, our proactive maintenance services focus on preventing issues before they occur. This proactive approach not only extends the lifespan of your equipment, but also reduces the likelihood of costly repairs down the line. Our exclusive proactive appliance care and preventative maintenance plan is tailored to provide you with exceptional benefits and significant savings. By joining our plan, you gain access to a range of exclusive services and perks designed to enhance your appliance maintenance experience. Unlock the value. Free diagnostic inspection. Receive complimentary diagnostic inspections for your appliances, a value of $125 per inspection. Imagine the savings. That's $625 for 5 appliances in your home alone. Stay ahead of any issues and save significantly on maintenance costs. Exclusive cleaning services. Enjoy access to special cleaning services reserved only for our plan members, keeping your appliances in top-notch condition. Party service. Benefit from our party service, adding another layer of convenience and assistance for your appliance needs. Kitchen and laundry maintenance service. Bundle and save. Please note that while these benefits are included in your plan, additional services such as dryer, vent, clean, and appliance installation services are available for purchase separately. These services offer added convenience for your appliance maintenance needs and can be availed of at an additional cost. To enjoy the exclusive benefits of our proactive appliance care and preventative maintenance, and to explore additional services, enroll today and ensure your payments are up to date. For more info, contact us by text at 77292476692 or email us at info@qualitypropertyrepairs.com. Don't miss out on these special privileges for less than $2.20 per day. Sign up for our proactive appliance care and preventative maintenance plan now and experience the difference in appliance care. Contact us today.